Yes, your end cryptos right here. So in today's trade we are longing BTC. So after doing the analysis, you can see we have our entry zone right here. You can see the red zone there, so that is our entry zone. So we're expecting price to pull down there. So when that does, we're gonna be taking our entry, and the take profit is the green zone up. So you can see everything right there is clear. So all we just have to do is to copy the entry price and we place our trade. So we're just going to do kind of 1-to-1 order here. So the first one we have is 1-to-2 reward to risk ratio. So let's have a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So it's always good to take profits. You can never go wrong taking profits. So we're going to adjust this to make sure that we know where we can take our 1-to-1 profits. So remember, trading is more or less a waiting game. So we've done our analysis, we've discovered our entry point. So now we are placing the trade and we are going to wait for price to hit our entry price. So we want to do the adjustments here. Yeah, so that's entry price. So we drag it to the stop loss zone. So once price hits that final point and breaks down there, it means the trend has reversed. So we just got to get out at that stop loss price. So remember, anything can happen, so always use amount you are willing to lose, amount you are at peace to lose per trade. So we recommend 1%. So and you're gonna see how we're gonna do that. So let us set up our stop loss. Okay, so and this is 1-to-1. Yep, so that is it. So we have the 1-to-1 and we have the 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So we will start taking profit from 1-to-1. Yeah, so this is the 1-to-1. So just for clarity purposes, and the second one is a 1-to-2. So yep, so there we have it. So the next thing we're going to do now is to place our trade. So we're going to place the trade first on this demo trading view, paper trading. Okay, so we could go to, so we connect the paper trading account. Yep, that is it. So we're going to place our trade. Click on create limit order. So we're using 1% of our capital per trade. So we click on create, and that is it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. More trade signals in our free Telegram channel.